Hello world. Google just made a big announcement. And first of all, I'm traveling, so apologies for the lack of lighting and I don't know how it's gonna sound on my Mac. But I wanted to talk about this announcement. Came out today. We're a week away from Google Next, which I expect will see more and more new announcements, but this is a big one, and I'll tell you why. Until now, Google was behind with a desktop app for their AI platform. Almost everyone else had a local app that you can run for chat interface. The most well-known is Claude Desktop, which now is so sophisticated it allows you to switch between chat, co-work, and Claude code built in. Google, it's not there yet. They're getting close, and I think this announcement is the beginning of that journey where Google will start matching the capabilities of other solutions. So how do you do that? You just download the installation. It's a DMG file that if you use Mac, it's very simple. You click on it, you drag it to your application, and you launch it. And once you launch it, this is what you get. You log in first with your Gmail account. It is very straightforward, to be honest. Nothing exciting. You can upload files, you can connect to your drive, you can see photos. As you know, they have a tighter integration with NotebookLM, so NotebookLM shortcut is available here. You can share a window, and here you can see some of the windows that you can include, including browsers and any application that is running on your Mac. So that's cool. So now you can share a screen with Google. For example, let me share this window over here. I'm just going to ask it. That's going to be this window here. And I'm going to ask it, can you tell me what you see on the screen? So now you can see it loaded a screenshot of that application, and it's going to tell me exactly what it sees in its current state. And it was right. This is a Claude code, and I'm using it to fix something with my agent. And what else can you do here? As mentioned earlier, you have the ability to create an image, create a video. So the VO3.1, you can create music using Lyria 3 Pro, which now generates music videos up to 3 minutes. And you have more tools, including Canvas, which is their simple AI app building. If you're familiar with Canvas, you can do it for create very simple applications, or even use that to create documents and deep research and guided learning. This is very basic, yes, I know, but what it means that now that you have an app running on your system, you will be able, in the future, of course, once Google enable it, you will be able to interact with MCPs, which right now could not work from the web interface unless you use some sort of a hack solution like the MCP web extension. Obviously, we'll see more skills, and who knows, maybe they're going to create their super app, like the rumors of what OpenAI is planning to do, taking Codex, the browser, and everything, slap them together into a single app for their users. So that's what I wanted to show. It's very simple. It's not fancy. It's Gemini Web, but now offered as an app on the Mac. And I think this is where exciting things will start to happen over the next few weeks as more and more capabilities will be added into this app. And hopefully it will be available for other platforms. Thank you again. And my apologies for the audio quality and the lighting quality, but I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.
AI spotlight illuminating the future of AI.